So if you're doing a lot of grinding with angle grinders, I prefer to use these fiber discs because they are really cheap and they come in very many grits. As you can see here, maybe it doesn't show. You can see that it's 16 grit, 36 grit, what's that, 60, 120, 180, 400, 320, 220, and it comes also in the bigger sizes, 180 millimeters big. These are all 425 millimeter angle grinders. So you just take this rubber. You can buy it many stores. This very common. And I don't know with your angle grinders, but I only use the Bosch grinders because they have the before some years ago I heard that they have a little bit higher grade on the coating on the wires in the engines, motors, so they're not as likely to burn up. And these also I only use the ones with variable speed drive, because when you're grinding aluminum you would use maybe 36 grit, use a very rough grit and turn down the RPMs, and you can grind aluminum all day long and it won't clog up like the lamel flapper discs that I've seen many of you guys using on YouTube. So you just take an M14 washer, the rubber and the paper, and then this type of nut. Flip it down like this, put it through the paper. It's a little bit hard to do one-handed, and it just screws on. And actually this nut protrudes down so it doesn't stick out, so you're not hitting the piece you're grinding with the nut, so it's not protruding. So this saves me a lot of money, and it's very good because I can also grind aluminum.